What's all this then, Mr. Frodo? No-dig gardening? That's not natural.
Think digging is the only way to make a garden? Hobbits knew better. Today, I'll show you how to build your very first no-dig garden bed, Shire style. No backbreaking ploughing, no sweaty digging, just a layered system that even Samwise Gamgee would give you a proud nod.
First, find a sunny patch near your hobbit hole, or in my case here in my subtropical Queensland block, aim for at least 6 hours of sunlight a day and pick a place close to your kitchen, because trust me, hobbits love quick access to snacks. Our adventure begins with cardboard. Yes, even a humble shipping box can become a hero. This blocks the weeds, breaks down over time, and feeds the soil life. A quick splash of water keeps it in place, like elven lembas bread keeping you going on a long journey. Now comes the fun part, stacking your soil lasagna. We start with rough organic matter. This could be sticks, branches or straw, and this creates air pockets. Then comes some compost or manure, the feast for worms. Next, a layer of mulch, like straw or dried leaves. And finally, a sprinkle of topsoil or finished compost. This is where your seeds will grow.
Some call this a no-dig bed. I call it hobbit layered gardening. Second breakfast for the soil.
With your bed built, it's time to plant. Leafy greens, climbing beans, herbs, or choose a mix that you would love to eat. Remember, hobbits don't live on mushrooms alone. I planted here some lettuce, cabbage, pak choy, a little bit of parsley and some marigold. Water your seedlings well, then give them a cozy blanket of mulch. This keeps the soil cool, moist and full of worms. It is like tucking your plants in for a good night's sleep, Hobbit style.
No dig gardening works because it builds soil rather than breaking it. It lets worms and fungi and all the unseen helpers do the digging for you. Less effort for us and more abundance for the Shire. So there you have it, your very first no-dig garden bed, Hobbit style. Simple, effective and bursting with life. If you're ready to grow your own Shire, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellowship of gardeners. And remember, in permaculture, it's not magic, it's just really clever gardening.
All you have to decide is what to grow with the time that is given to you.